Billionaires on how they invest in people. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Step into the world of visionary leaders and billionaires as we explore their approach to investing in people. In this captivating series, we will unveil the strategies and principles employed by these influential figures to nurture talent, foster growth, and drive organizational success. Join us on a journey into the heart of organizational excellence, where investing in people isn't just a business strategy. It's a philosophy that fuels innovation, drives collaboration, and transforms lives. Investment Strategy 1: Talent Acquisition Strategies. In the realm of billionaire-led businesses, talent acquisition is not merely about filling positions, but about strategically assembling a team of exceptional individuals. These billionaires understand that the success of their enterprises hinges on the caliber of talent they attract. They employ multifaceted strategies to cast a wide net, tapping into diverse talent pools through channels such as job boards, professional networks, and partnerships with academic institutions. Moreover, these visionary leaders prioritize cultural fit alongside technical proficiency, seeking individuals who resonate with the company's values and are aligned with its long-term vision. By investing in robust recruitment processes and fostering an inclusive and dynamic workplace culture, billionaires ensure that their organizations are positioned to attract and retain top talent in an increasingly competitive market. Investment Strategy 2: Employee Development and Training. For billionaires, investing in employee development and training isn't just a perk. It's a strategic imperative. These leaders recognize that the continuous growth and skill enhancement of their workforce are essential for driving innovation and maintaining a competitive edge. As such, they design comprehensive training programs that cater to the evolving needs of their employees, offering a diverse range of learning opportunities from workshops and seminars to online courses and certifications. By prioritizing ongoing learning and development, billionaires empower their teams to adapt to changing industry landscapes, acquire new competencies, and excel in their roles. Additionally, these visionary leaders foster a culture of continuous improvement, where feedback and coaching are valued as tools for personal and professional growth. Through these initiatives, billionaires not only invest in the success of their employees but also lay the groundwork for the sustained growth and prosperity of their organizations. Investment Strategy 3: Mentorship and Coaching. In the world of billionaire-led enterprises, mentorship and coaching are instrumental in nurturing talent and fostering leadership capabilities within their teams. These visionary leaders understand the profound impact of mentorship on individual growth and organizational success. They establish formal mentorship programs that pair employees with seasoned professionals who provide guidance, support, and invaluable insights gained from years of experience. Moreover, billionaires recognize the importance of coaching in developing leadership skills, emotional intelligence, and resilience among their teams. Through personalized coaching sessions, employees receive constructive feedback, develop self-awareness, and hone their abilities to navigate complex challenges effectively. By investing in mentorship and coaching, billionaires create a culture of continuous learning and development where employees are empowered to reach their full potential and drive meaningful impact within the organization. Investment Strategy 4: Work-life balance and well-being initiatives. Billionaires understand that prioritizing employee well-being is not only essential for individual health and happiness, but also crucial for maintaining high levels of productivity and engagement. These visionary leaders invest in initiatives that promote work-life balance, mental health, and overall well-being among their teams. From flexible work arrangements and remote work options to wellness programs and mindfulness activities, billionaires create environments where employees feel supported, valued, and motivated to perform at their best. Additionally, they foster a culture of empathy and understanding, where open communication and support networks are encouraged to address work-related stressors and personal challenges. By prioritizing employee well-being, billionaires cultivate a positive and inclusive workplace culture. Investment Strategy 5: Diversity and Inclusion Initiatives. In the realm of billionaire-led organizations, diversity and inclusion aren't just buzzwords. They're fundamental principles that drive innovation and foster a culture of belonging. These visionary leaders understand that diverse teams bring unique perspectives, experiences, and ideas to the table, fueling creativity and driving better business outcomes. As such, they invest in initiatives to promote diversity and inclusion at all levels of the organization, from recruitment and hiring practices to leadership development and decision-making processes. By fostering an inclusive workplace where individuals from all backgrounds feel valued. Investment Strategy 6: Recognition and Rewards Programs. Billionaires recognize the importance of acknowledging and rewarding the contributions of their employees to foster a culture of appreciation and recognition. These visionary leaders implement recognition programs that celebrate achievements, milestones, and exemplary performance within their organizations. Whether it's through peer-to-peer recognition, Employee of the Month awards, or performance-based bonuses, billionaires ensure that their teams feel valued and appreciated for their hard work and dedication. Moreover, they understand the power of non-monetary rewards, such as opportunities for career advancement, increased responsibilities, and public acknowledgement of achievements. By investing in recognition and rewards programs, billionaires inspire loyalty, motivate high performance, and foster a positive and supportive work environment where employees are empowered to thrive and succeed. Investment Strategy 7: Transparent Communication Channels. Effective communication is the cornerstone of successful organizations led by billionaires. They prioritize creating transparent communication channels that foster open dialogue, feedback, and collaboration among their teams. These visionary leaders understand that transparent communication builds trust, alignment, and accountability within their organizations. As such, they implement platforms such as regular town hall meetings, employee forums, and digital communication tools to ensure that information flows freely across all levels of the organization. Moreover, billionaires encourage a culture of constructive feedback and dialogue, where employees feel empowered to voice their opinions, share ideas, and contribute to decision-making processes. By prioritizing transparent communication, billionaires create a culture of transparency and accountability that drives engagement, innovation, and organizational excellence. Investment Strategy 8: Empowerment and Autonomy. Billionaires understand the importance of empowering their employees with autonomy and ownership over their work. They recognize that giving employees the freedom to make decisions, take risks, and innovate fosters a sense of ownership, accountability, and motivation. These visionary leaders create a culture where employees are encouraged to take initiative, solve problems creatively, and pursue opportunities for growth and development. By providing the necessary resources, support, and guidance, billionaires empower their teams to unleash their full potential and drive meaningful impact within the organization. Investment Strategy 9: Continuous Feedback Loops. Billionaires understand the value of continuous feedback loops in driving individual and organizational growth. They establish mechanisms for gathering feedback from employees at all levels, whether through regular performance evaluations, anonymous surveys, or informal check-ins. These visionary leaders recognize that feedback provides valuable insights into employee experiences, challenges, and opportunities for improvement. By soliciting and acting upon feedback promptly, billionaires demonstrate their commitment to listening to their employees and addressing their needs and concerns. Investment Strategy 10: Flexibility and Adaptability. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, flexibility and adaptability are essential qualities for success. Billionaires understand the importance of being agile and responsive to changing market conditions, customer needs, and technological advancements. These visionary leaders create flexible work environments that accommodate diverse needs and preferences, whether through remote work options, flexible scheduling, or agile project management methodologies. By embracing flexibility and adaptability, billionaires enable their organizations to navigate uncertainty and seize new opportunities with agility and resilience. Moreover, they cultivate a culture where innovation and experimentation are encouraged, allowing employees to explore new ideas, take calculated risks, and adapt to changing circumstances. By prioritizing flexibility and adaptability, billionaires position their organizations for long-term success in an increasingly dynamic and competitive business landscape. Investment strategy. 11. Leadership development programs. Billionaires recognize that strong leadership is essential for driving organizational success and fostering a culture of excellence. They invest in comprehensive leadership development programs to cultivate the next generation of leaders within their organizations. These visionary leaders provide opportunities for aspiring leaders to develop essential skills such as communication, decision-making, and strategic thinking through workshops, coaching, and mentorship. By investing in leadership development, billionaires ensure a pipeline of talented individuals who are equipped to lead their teams effectively and drive business growth. Investment strategy. 12. Incentive programs for innovation. Innovation is the lifeblood of successful organizations led by billionaires. They understand the importance of incentivizing and rewarding innovation to drive continuous improvement and competitive advantage. These visionary leaders implement incentive programs that encourage employees to think creatively, experiment with new ideas, and contribute to the development of innovative solutions. Whether through monetary rewards, recognition, or opportunities for career advancement, billionaires create incentives that motivate and inspire employees to push the boundaries of what's possible. Moreover, they foster a culture where failure is seen as an opportunity for learning and growth, encouraging employees to take calculated risks and learn from their mistakes. Investment strategy. 13. Community engagement and corporate social responsibility. Billionaires understand the importance of giving back to the communities in which they operate and contributing to social causes. They invest in community engagement and corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives to make a positive impact on society, while also fostering employee engagement and pride in their organization. These visionary leaders support charitable organizations, volunteer programs, and community events that align with their company values and address pressing social issues. By engaging employees in meaningful volunteer activities and philanthropic efforts, billionaires create a sense of purpose and fulfillment beyond the workplace. Investment strategy 14. Succession planning and talent development. Succession planning is critical for ensuring the long-term sustainability and continuity of billionaire-led organizations. These visionary leaders understand the importance of identifying and developing future leaders who can take on key roles and responsibilities within the organization. Moreover, they foster a culture of mentorship and knowledge sharing where seasoned leaders pass down their wisdom and expertise to the next generation of leaders, ensuring the continued success and growth of the organization. Investment strategy 15. Continuous improvement and adaptation. In today's rapidly changing business landscape, continuous improvement and adaptation are essential for staying ahead of the curve. Billionaires understand that complacency is the enemy of progress and invest in initiatives that foster a culture of continuous learning, innovation, and adaptation within their organizations. These visionary leaders encourage employees to challenge the status quo, experiment with new ideas, and embrace change as an opportunity for growth and improvement. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, billionaires ensure that their organizations remain agile, resilient, and competitive in the face of evolving market dynamics and technological advancements. Time for the soft question. Which of these strategies would be helpful as an investment in your business, and which of these would you plan to incorporate into your business operations to connect with your employees? Please share your experiences in the comment section below. This will help viewers learn from each other and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.